Hi guys, the UPS man just came and I have to unbox this and share it with everybody. All right, let's get all this stuff out of here. None of that stuff's important. Only the stuff inside. Look! I'm so excited to share this, and it really feels real right now because here it is. This is actually the first printed copy of Fun and Fancy, The Path to Ruler Work Quilting with Quinn and Westerly Design. So let's go ahead, we'll scoot this over really fast. I'll stick the book right here so you can see it. And then I've got some other goodies that are inside. So ready? This is the Fun and Fancy collection, and this is the first actual copy of that template grouping. So this is a collection of 5 templates that are created by Leonie West, and I've taken them and I've built a design collection around them, and so they are going to work together. That's my new team right here. And then I think a lot of people may know I also created a quilt pattern, and the quilt pattern is using Leonie West's cutting system to cut it and build a quilt, and then we're going to join in a quilt along. So anybody that wants to use all 3 of these pieces and work together and build a quilt and then quilt it with me, you'll all be able to participate in my quilt along. So I just wanted to share how excited I was because boy, it really feels real right now. After working probably about 10 months to get this together, it's finally all coming together. So come join me on Sunday. We'll be doing a quilt along, and I have a small class where you get a chance to see the power of the Fun and Fancy collection and how those designs can work together, and see if maybe you might like some Fun and Fancy in your life. Thanks, happy quilting!